Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Self-Control, Meditation, Chapter 6, Shloka 37. Arjuna said, when a man, though possessed of faith, is unable to control himself, whose mind wanders away from yoga, to what end does he, having failed to attain perfection in yoga, go, O Krishna?
Chapter 6, Shloka 37. Arjuna uvacha ayati shraddhayopeto yogaschalita manasakha aprapya yoga samsiddhim kam gatim Krishna gacchati.
Chapter 6, Shloka 37. In the two previous shlokas, Arjuna's doubt about the impossibility of realizing the self because of the restless nature of the mind has been removed by Lord Krishna. He has convinced him that by dispassion it can be controlled and that it is difficult only for an uncontrolled self. But the self-controlled striving can obtain it by proper means. In this shloka, Arjuna asks another question, that what would be the condition of one who cannot yet fulfill and reach the goal. Arjuna has faith but fears that since he will be depriving himself from the small joys of the sense objects for a large profit of joy promised at the end as bliss, what if his mind wanders away without complete self-control, or that he falls from yoga and doesn't attain the perfection? He will come to lose both the little joys of the sense objects and the absolute bliss of the hereafter. According to Vedanta, there is only one source of joy, the Brahmananda, the self. All other joys through the sense objects, Vishayananda, are only glimpses of that one source. Life is a continuous process of the past coming into the present to move into the future. Therefore, whatever we are today is a product of past yesterdays. So our past plus our present will determine our future. Death is only one incident in a human existence. Arjuna wants some guidance from Krishna as to what will happen to such an individual. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.